This whale just took its last breath for the next 2 hours. It's about to disappear into water darker than night. Its ribcage can collapse safely under pressure, while extra-rich blood stores oxygen throughout its entire body, not just its lungs.
Over half a mile down, in total darkness, it hunts using sound alone, clicking loud enough to stun prey in the deep.
There it is, a giant squid, found and caught in complete darkness, over half a mile beneath the surface. Meal caught, it begins the long rise back to the surface. Nearly 2 hours underwater, and it isn't finished yet.
Here's the twist. Sperm whales can dive over 2 miles deep, making them the deepest diving mammal on the entire planet.